welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be doing a Facebook recipe. This is from delish.com, and it is a s'mores crunch wrap. And with summer coming to an end, I wanted to kind of squeeze in a little bit more s'mores. And the recipe will be down in the bottom link below, so if you want to see how this dessert turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So to make the crunch wraps, the recipe called for mini marshmallows, but my grocery store actually had 0, so I had to cut some big ones. And I just cut them to roughly mini marshmallow shape. And then I just put them on a tortilla and left a border of like 1.5 inches, maybe 1 inch. And then grabbed my graham cracker and fit it to the size that would make it wrap. So I ended up using 1/2. And then I used dark chocolate, that's our favorite. I put it on top of the graham cracker and then folded it over to try to make no chocolate showing. And next I went to my stove and got some melted butter and put it fold side down and heated that through. Oh wait, I put some butter on top of the other side. And I cooked that for about 2 minutes-ish. And then I flipped it and the chocolate was like oozing out and it didn't really want to stay wrapped anymore, but then I just heated it on the other side and put it in cinnamon sugar and spun it around a couple of times until it was coated. And that was it. It was pretty simple.
All right, so my crunch wraps are all done, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Guys, it tastes like ice cream. It's like a sundae. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's so good. The marshmallow is just soft enough that it's all pillowy and like decadent, and it's got a ton of flavor. The chocolate is not running all over the place soft, and the graham cracker with the cinnamon sugar is like just a crunch in between the two. This is awesome. I'm not a huge s'mores person either. I'm one of those people that just wants to do marshmallows out on the fire rings, but make these, even if you don't like them. It is so, so good. If you couldn't guess, my rating's a 10 out of 10. But this is a phenomenal treat. Yes, not have it all the time. I made 2 small ones, and I think that that's plenty for 1/2 would be good for 1 person. This is just amazing. This is delish. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, but if you guys have any other recipes that you want me to test out, just leave them down in the comments below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you guys later. Bye.